To Charles Payne, Making Money host on Fox Business, best-selling author. Charles, what happened?
Everything. All of the above, Neil. I got to tell you, it really is. On my show, I called it a ball of confusion, an ode to the old Temptation song. So you got some folks who are worrying about an economic slowdown, a recession. You've got inflation. You talked about at the beginning of the show, stagflation. Of course, early in the market, a lot of the weakness came out of this widening COVID-19 problem in China. It's a reminder, we're so overly reliant on them. What happens if they have to shut Beijing down now? They're expanding tests. They've already done that in Shanghai. Then there were some rumblings right before the open. Russia cutting Poland off on natural gas. It's interesting because a lot of folks are saying Europe should stop, take a bold stand and stop taking energy from Russia. Well, I'm not even sure. I didn't get a chance to go to the bottom of it, but that knocked the market down. So we got these geopolitical events that are coming closer and closer to us. Earnings were fantastic overall. Right. Guidance was guarded, of course, because of all these questions. So it's just all of the above. We just don't know where we are right now. We don't know what this Federal Reserve is going to do. The same Federal Reserve that said inflation was transitory, no one trusts that they'll do the right thing. Half the folks think they're too late. The other half think they're going to go too far. So all of that downside momentum, the proverbial snowball became a boulder, and no one wanted to step in front of it.
Do you think this is too far the other way? You know what I mean, Charles? Where, markets can take things to extremes. Is this the extreme? Is this a sign of capitulation? Now, we should remember here that, by and large, these markets are still up appreciably from their lows. Now, the NASDAQ is down well into bear market territory. But where do you see this sort of sorting out, if it does?
This has been an amazing market because we lurched into a bear market a year ago, but it was sector by sector. It was under you couldn't see it. Even right now, the NASDAQ is off about 22%. The average stock in the NASDAQ, though, is off like 35%. We have seen nothing but total carnage now. I do think it's overdone. Here's the rub. Doesn't mean it stops tomorrow, right? We have seen overdone get more overdone and more overdone and more overdone. The bias is 100% to the downside. Over the next hour, we're going to get earnings from Microsoft and Google. Maybe that provides some relief. But until the street gets a better sense of what's happening with the Fed, a better sense of where the war in Ukraine is going, a better sense of some other domestic things, we're going to certainly the bias is going to remain to the downside. The good news, though, again, and I think you pointed it out, and we've seen this so many times over our careers, is that the pendulum swings too far. We're in that too far area now, but there's absolutely no limit on how far too far is.
Well put, my friend. Thank you very much. Charles Payne.
Hi, everyone. I'm Brian Kilmeade. I want you to do me a favor. I want you to click to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page. This is the only way that I know for sure that you're not going to miss any great commentary, any great news bites, any great interviews coming your way on Fox. You can get it all here on YouTube. So subscribe right now.